In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a virtual card for free trials. First, choose a virtual card provider that is available in your country. In the United States, some popular options include privacy.com and Chime. In the United Kingdom and Europe, you can look at services like Revolut and Monzo, depending on the account type and features available in your region. After that, create your account and link your bank account or debit card if needed. This allows the virtual card to work for approved transactions while keeping your main card details private. Next, generate a new virtual card for the specific free trial or subscription you want to sign up for. Give the card a clear name so you can easily recognize it later in your account. When you sign up for the trial, enter the virtual card number, expiration date, and security code exactly as shown. It works like a normal card at checkout, and some services may place a small temporary authorization to confirm the card is valid. The main benefit is that you can manage the card from the app. You can pause it, close it, or let it expire when you no longer need it. That is the simple process. A virtual card helps you keep your payment details private and gives you more control over trial subscriptions.